Hey everybody, Pat Logue with the Anchor Group with another great property tour. Today we're at 100 East 11th Street at the corner of 11th and Simpson. The first floor condo unit is offered at $799,900. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, all recently redone. Come on in and take a look. Hey, before we get started, do me a favor, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss another property tour in the future. Let's step inside. We have an open concept living area, fireplace, spot for your television, dining area, fiberglass deck, brand new updated kitchen. New appliances, heading back to 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Common bathroom, 1 bedroom, 2 twin size beds, another bedroom, queen size bed, master suite, with full bathroom. Laundry. And additionally, a state-of-the-art Nevion tankless hot water heater that also powers the baseboard heat throughout. This home offers plenty of storage, outdoor shower, and a shared common space. Isn't that property sharp? Listen, if you have any questions about this one or any additional Ocean City property questions, real estate needs, reach out to me at the contact information above. And please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future property tours. Take care, everybody. You have a great day.